Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA Control Panel display settings, missing or not showing. I'll be showing you a few different methods, so make sure to follow all the steps, even if one doesn't work for you. So let's get started. First, let's make sure your NVIDIA graphics card is properly detected by your system. Go down to the search bar, type in Device Manager, and open it. Now expand Display Adapters, and here you should see your NVIDIA graphics card listed. If it's not showing here, then your system isn't detecting the GPU properly, and that could be the reason for the missing display settings. If you're using a desktop computer, make sure your monitor cable is connected to the graphics card, not the motherboard, because that can also cause this issue. If your graphics card is showing, the next step is to update your drivers. Go to the Again search bar and type for NVIDIA, and open it. On the left, click on the Drivers tab. Then click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, try opening the NVIDIA Control Panel again. If the display settings are still missing, don't worry, there's another fix. Go back to Search Bar, type Services, and open it. Scroll down until you find NVIDIA Display Container LS. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start, then hit Apply and OK. Also do the same for NVIDIA Frame View. Now restart your PC again and check the control panel. And that's it. This is how you can fix NVIDIA Control Panel display settings missing or not showing on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.